Here we go.
Yeah! I can't hear you because of the cars.
This is the biggest fish I've ever caught.
Let me see. Grab him by the gill plate. You see how you have his fin?
Yeah.
Don't hold his fin, just grab him by the gill plate.
This.
Yep. Hold him up a little bit more. There you go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah! Yeah! Off of the Passaic River, big chunky largemouths. Not the pike I was looking for. Eli's on the pike, Dad's on the chunks. Let's go. Lots of salad and junk.
Yep. Second.
Put them on this side.
Yeah, but they're all fat. He's been trying to hook onto him and then, man, like I threw multiple casts on him.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Let them swim.
That was pleasant.
I haven't been recording the catches or casting and stuff because it's kind of raining. I don't want to bother cleaning this thing off. But this fat little bass horfed this spinnerbait. Looked like a football. Fattest 14-inch bass I've ever seen. All right, well, let's keep going. So in between bouts of downpour, it's been kind of shitty out. This is my 5th bass, the largest of the day, and definitely probably my personal best. Love you, little guy. Whoa. Another tank of a bass. Holy moly. These Passaic River bass sure are well fed. Kind of makes up for missing that big pike. Kind of. Oh, buddy. Slouchy. What do you got? What is it?
Pike.
Whoa, get him! Keep them tight.
Yes.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Oh. Oh.
Dude, that's a trophy.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm so. He was heavy.
Keep him in the net. Want my help? Okay, hold him up. All right, show him to the camera.
Holy.
Let him swim. Hold him by his tail. There he goes. Woo! Yeah! Come here. How'd that feel?
Oh my god, that felt so good.
That's a fish. I missed a pike. I haven't caught any pike. I caught 6 bass, but your son is 2 pikes in, and one of those, that was pushing the one I caught. I'm gonna send the picture to the family chat now. I love you so much. I'm so proud of this kid. Thank you.
Oh my god. That is going as every picture profile picture ever.
Oh, man.
Woo!
How's that feel?
Oh, you don't even know how good that feels. Woo! I could barely lift him up in the net too. He was fish of a lifetime for right now. Yeah.
All right.
Trophy.
Well, welcome to the 30 Club.
Thank you.
You excited?
I'm pumped.
You ready to go get another one?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Another bass. This isn't fighting like a bass. It's on my worm rod. Nope. Bass. Good one.
He's just dead.
Real good one.
Digging?
Bass.
Digging bass. Shit. Oh my.
Probably shouldn't have boat flipped him. Size bass.
Holy.
That's another chunk. Why can't I land bass like this during a tournament, huh?
Seriously.
On a spinnerbait this
Probably
time.
because this place is like never pressured.
Well, yeah, that's. I bet you he's 17.
I'm not.
You know why?
Why?
Because every other fish from here
17.
has been 17.
17.
18.
Nice.
Biggest one of the day. She's thick. She's thick. All right, go.
Yes. Let me get that sweets.
Like a real explorer, Elijah.